Effective presentation strategies. Number one, analyze your audience. Number two, organize your content. Always prepare for more material than required as it will help you feel confident. What it means? It means that when you are making a presentation, your content should be more than the content that you require. You can organize your content into three sections. Number one, introduction. Number two, body. And number three, conclusion. First of all, prepare an outline of a presentation. For example, you are making a presentation on the launch of a new product. Your outline will start from introduction. After that, there will be product appearance, then various parts. After that, functions of the product, facilities, and then conclusion. You can use visual aids in your presentation to make it more attractive. Visual aids can be in the form of handouts, flip charts, overhead projectors, chalkboards, computers, and films.